Long ago, in a small village nestled amongst rolling green hills, lived a young girl named Mia. She was a curious and kind-hearted child who always sought to learn new skills that would help her community. One day, Mia noticed her grandmother, a wise woman with a warm smile, working on a beautiful knitted scarf. "Grandmother," Mia asked, "how do you make such wonderful things with your hands?" Her grandmother looked up from her work, a gentle smile playing on her lips. "Patience, my dear, and a willingness to learn are the keys to mastering the art of knitting," she replied. Mia listened intently as her grandmother taught her the basics of knitting. She learned to cast on stitches, to create a foundation for her project, and how to work each stitch with precision. Yet, despite her best efforts, Mia struggled to create a stitch that was even and tight. Over time, Mia continued to practice, and although her stitches were far from perfect, her determination did not waver. One day, as she sat by the fire, knitting a scraggly scarf, she felt a pang of sadness. "What is troubling you, my dear?" asked her grandmother. Mia sighed, showing her the scarf. "I've been trying so hard, but my stitches never seem to come out right." Her grandmother, noticing the disappointment in her eyes, gently took the scarf from Mia's hands. "Remember, my dear, every stitch is a step on your journey to mastery. Do not be disheartened by your mistakes, but rather learn from them and grow." With renewed determination, Mia continued to practice, slowly but surely improving with each stitch. She learned to knit in the round, creating a beautiful, seamless tube that could be transformed into hats, gloves, and even sweaters. One winter, as the days grew short and the cold bit deep, Mia knitted a warm scarf for an elderly neighbor who had lost her own during a storm. The neighbor was overjoyed, her eyes filling with tears as she wrapped the scarf around her neck. "This is the most beautiful thing anyone has ever made for me," she said, her voice cracking with emotion. "I feel so warm and cared for." Mia watched as her neighbor smiled, her heart swelling with pride. She realized that the true beauty of knitting was not in the perfection of the stitches, but in the love and care that went into each one. In time, Mia's skills grew, and she became a master knitter, passing her knowledge on to others in her village. She learned that patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn were not only essential to mastering the art of knitting but also to living a meaningful and fulfilling life. And so, Mia went on to knit countless items, each one made with love and care, each one a testament to the power of determination and the importance of learning. Her story serves as a reminder that every stitch is a step on a journey to mastery, and that the true beauty lies not in perfection, but in the love and care we put into our creations.